Hello, good morning, Poon.
Good morning. Teacher Chris will be late and Baikal absent today.
Pardon?
Baikal Siri.
Oh, Baikal is absent. Sick? Is she sick? Oh my
He
God.
go to vaccinated.
Oh, she is going to get vaccine, right? Oh, all right.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Good morning, Haruka and Ode. Good morning. Good morning. Let's wait for your friends, okay? So in today's class, I will be reviewing on the sources of energy, okay? And then we will have some writing and we will also play online quizzes, okay, today? And then after that, if we have some time, I will review all the topics that we have learned in this chapter, and then we will be done. And from the next class, we will be starting with new chapter, chapter 8, which is about soil, okay? Hold on, everyone. Let me find the attendance sheet. Okay. What day is today? 10. Okay. PP is not here. Grace is not here yet. One is here. Audie is here. Baikal. This one. Baikal. I think I will be present as well. Okay. Okay, so let's start the class. Let's not waste time, okay? It's already 11:03. All right, I'm gonna stop sharing the screen. Okay, so let's try to recollect what we have learned in our last class. So in our last class, our main focus, right? Our main topic was about the renewable energy sources, right? Good morning, Pipi. Oopsie, hold on. Put Pipi present here. Right. So in our last class, our main focus was on renewable energy sources, right? So we have learned about the renewable and non-renewable energy sources, right? So these are the two different types of energy sources, right? So in non-renewable energy sources, how many types? They are called as fossil fuels, right? So how many different types of fossil fuels are there in non-renewable energy source? Haruka. How many types of fossil fuel are there in non-renewable energy source?
Three.
Three. So, yes, Ode, what are they? There are three kinds of fossil fuel, right? They are all non-renewable energy, and there are three of them. What are they? You can look into your book if you don't remember. 76. Three different types of fossil fuel. Okay, Ode, I will get back to you, okay? So there are two different kinds. Okay, here they have written it fossil fuel, right? So I want you guys to correct here, okay? And this page, it's written fossil fuel, right? Actually, not fossil fuel, okay? All right, everyone, strike that off and write energy sources. Okay, not fossil fuel, not fossil fuel. So strike that off and write energy sources. All right. So there are two different types of energy source: non-renewable energy source and non-renewable energy source, right? So what is non-renewable energy source, Poon? What is non-renewable energy source?
Fossil fuels called petroleum oil shale.
Yes, these are the three types of fossil fuel, right? So what do you understand by the term non-renewable energy resources? Okay, let me explain, okay? So non-renewable energy sources are the ones that takes, okay, they cannot be replenished, okay? The word replenishments, they cannot be replaced in over the times, okay, over the years, because this non-renewable energy takes millions and millions of years to form, okay? That's why non-renewable energy cannot be replenished, okay? And they may soon run out, okay? And the word renewable energy source means the one that we can replenish, the one that we can refill over the years is called as renewable energy sources. So how many renewable energy sources are there? Grace. Hello, Grace.
Yes.
How many renewable energy sources are there? There are seven. Grace, there are 7 of them, okay? 7 renewable energy sources. So can you guys tell me one by one? Let's start with Ode. Tell me one renewable energy source.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen, very good. Hydrogen, 1. Haruka,
The sun.
the sun. Hun,
Running water.
running water. Pipi. So there is 3. Pipi, hello, you're there. Are you there? Okay, everyone remember the sun, running water, waves, hydrogen, wind, biomass, and heat from the inside of the earth are the 7 different kinds of renewable energy sources. Okay, so we human, we use non-renewable energy sources more than renewable energy source. All right, so okay, so that's it. Let me share the screen. Okay, so let me share this. All right, so in last class, we learned about renewable energy sources, right? Which is from the sun, wind, running water, wave, biomass, heat from the earth, and hydrogens were the 7 different types of renewable energy sources. Okay, so the word renewable energy sources means the energy sources that can be replaced or replenished after being used is called as renewable energy sources. All right, so let's first look at the sun. Okay, so from the sun, okay, we use the solar panels. Okay, so these solar panels are used to convert into electrical energy. We use solar panels, okay, to convert solar energy to heat energy and to electrical energy. All right, so this is the first one. Second one is from the wind, okay? So we call this place a wind farm or wind power station, okay? This is where the electricity comes from. Another one. So here, when the strong winds are blown, right? This will allow the wind turbine, this will allow the blades, okay? This will allow the blades, okay, to move, to spin, okay? So when the blade spins, it will give you electricity here as well. All right, everyone? Third one is from running water. So we call this a hydroelectric power as well, all right? Hydroelectric power. So the running water in streams also have an energy, okay? So here, the dams, right? You know what dams are, right? So these dams are built across the rivers, okay? In hydroelectric power, these dams are built across the river. So in the dam, what happens is when they release the water, okay, when the water are flown through, right? This will allow the turbine, okay? This is called as turbine. It looks something like this. The turbine will start to spin because of the fast flowing water, right? So they will start to spin. So when they spin, it will give you electricity here as well. Understood, everyone? All right. The fourth one is from the waves of the water. So waves of the water will also give you energy, electricity, all right? So here also they will station, okay? They will station this turbine inside the oceans, okay? So when the ocean waves flows, right? This will allow the turbines to move here again, okay? So when the turbine moves, right? It will give you electricity here as well. It will give you energies as well here, all right? This is the fourth one. And for the fifth one is biomass, okay? So biomass is from the manure of animals and plants, okay? Understand, everyone? Biomass is the organic materials that comes from the animals and plants is called as biomass. So when we burn those organic materials, right? They will give you fuels, all right? Understand? They will give you electricity as well. They will give you the fuels as well, all right? This is number 5. Number 6. Oh, I'm going so fast, right? Do you understand, everyone? Okay, number 6 is heat from inside the earth. Okay, so here we also call it geothermal energy. Okay, here what we do is we get, or the people will dig, we can dig the hole deep inside the earth. Okay, so when we dig the hole deep inside the earth, you can get a hot water. All right, so this hot water, when the hot water comes out, it will come along with the steam. Okay, so this steam will allow the turbine to spin. See, this is the turbine, okay? This will allow the steam turbine to spin. So when the steam turbine spins here, it will give you electricity. Everything, right? Every energies, okay? Every power stations have these turbines, okay? Whereas wind power station, hydroelectric power station, geothermal power station, right? So these have these turbines, okay? In every, remember that, okay? In every power station, they have this turbine. So when these turbines moves, okay, they will generate electricity. Understood, everyone? Okay, in the geothermal energy, get hot water. In order to get a hot water, we have to dig deep inside the earth. Okay, so when the hot waters are pumped up, okay, it will come along with the steam. All right, so this steam will allow the turbines to spin. So when this turbine spins, it gives you electricity. Understand, everyone? Understand, Ode? Please let me know if you don't get it, okay? Don't focus, this side don't focus, okay? Only focus on this much of the picture. All right. 7th one is the hydrogen. Okay, I'm going fast because we have learned this in our last class as well, right? 7th one is the hydrogen. So hydrogen is also one of the most abundant elements on the earth. So since they were abundant, right? So the hydrogen, a fuel cell combines hydrogen with oxygen. Okay, this is a fuel cell, okay, the fuel cell. Okay, so this combines with the oxygen. This combines with the hydrogen and with oxygen to produce electricity, okay? And it can also produce water as well. Understand? So with this, we are done with last time's review, okay? Last class review. So I have this one. So last time we didn't get time to write this, right, everyone? You guys said that you will do it this time, right? So can you all write this down? It's renewable energy source and non-renewable energy source. So page number 79, 7.3, exercise 7.3. Sources of energy. We can class the source of energy into two groups, okay? Name the two groups and describe them briefly, okay? So one is renewable energy source and they are non-renewable energy source. There are two types of energy source, okay? So renewable energy source are sources, okay? Renewable energy sources are the sources. Wait, hold on, let me strike this off. Okay, write this much. I wrote 2 times. So renewable energy sources are the ones that can be replenished by themselves. Okay, it's called as renewable energy source. Whereas non-renewable energy sources are those ones that cannot be replenished, okay, by themselves, and it may run out soon. So examples, you can just put it whatever you want, okay? Doesn't have to be same, but the non-renewable has to be same. Coal, petroleum, and oil shale. So can you see this word deplete? And will not deplete because of our consumption. So that means it will not run out, okay, because we use them, okay? So after this, we're going to play online quizzes, okay? There will be 14 questions. I think 3 of them we didn't learn. 3 questions we didn't learn. So we will skip this 3 questions and rest. We'll play the quiz, okay? Grace and PP, are you guys writing down?
Yes.
All right. Make sure you finish this up. This one will only be the exercises for today. Stuff. Make sure you finish it and send it in the line group. All right, everyone? Let me know when you're finished, okay? Finished, everyone? All right, so I have a quiz for you guys. It's on renewable energy source and non-renewable energy sources, all right? So let's see how well you guys understood, all right? So let me go ahead and type the link here. Hold on, okay? Okay. I will share the screen now. So this quiz, okay, everyone? We have to say it within 20 seconds, okay? It's very fast, 20 seconds. You have to answer within 20 seconds, okay? So let's start. Can you all see, right? You can see this, right, everyone? Okay, let's see the first question. True or false? Oh, this one, okay. Because of the attention. Okay. Everyone, this question is not about the renewable and non-renewable. It's not from the one we learned. Let's see the second question. Define water energy. Is it energy from the sun or is it created by sky and then? Define this one word. Oh, all right. Just tell me which finger. That's correct. Very good. Name two examples of non-renewable energy source. Which one? One, coal and oil? All right. Okay, very good. Okay, we are leading behind. Define biomass. Energy created by burning plants and animal waste. Energy created by tides and dams and uses farm. One? Okay, let's see if it's one or not. Very good. Define wind energy. Is it the energy from the sun created by tides and dams or uses? It's a wind farm. Okay, everyone. All right. Define geothermal energy. Heat energy from the earth, energy from the sun, created by burning plants and animal waste. One? Are you guys sure? One? Okay. Very good. Question 7. What is a disadvantage of fossil fuel? Does not hold you to Earth. Scientists guess that it will burn out in the next few years. There are no disadvantages. What is the correct answer? Two? Are you guys sure? Alright, let's take it on two. Okay, very good. Question 8. What are renewable sources? Sources that are used often. It cannot be replaced or resources that can be for a short amount of time. Trees, right? That's very fun. Okay, very good. Okay, this one we didn't learn, so I'll just pick it. Okay, define solar energy. Is energy created by burning plants and animal waste. At the time, it is by the earth. Alright. Okay, 11. Okay, so this question is tricky. Does the United States get most of its energy from renewable energy? Not only United States, we us, generally, okay. We get most of the energy from the renewable energy sources or not? I remember saying this to you guys. We use renewable or non-renewable energy the most. Yes. Are you sure? For me, I think it's the first one. Two? You guys remember I said that most of the energy that we use are from non-renewable energy sources, right? So which one do you think it is? No? Okay. Right. Okay. What are non-renewable energy sources? Sources that are used faster than they can be replaced. Sources America does not use. Sources that can be replaced in a short amount of time. First or third? First? Okay, very good. Okay, this one we didn't learn, okay? Keep this. Name 2 examples of renewable energy sources. This is coal and nuclear, solar panel, and hydroelectric, or oil and gas. Or Audrey, how about you? Okay. Okay, everyone. Yes. Very good. Okay, well done, everyone. Well done. Haruka, Ode, and Pun for participating. Okay, so with this, we are done with renewable energy source and non-renewable energy source. So since we have some time, okay, teacher is going to ask you guys questions, okay, from the topics that we have learned in this chapter, the Earth, okay? So in the Earth chapter, right, there are 4 layers, right? How many layers do we have? There are 4 layers, right? So what are those layers? The layers of the Earth. What are the 4 layers of the Earth? Let me ask this question to Pun. What are the 4 layers of Earth?
Outer core, crust, inner core, mantle.
Crust, mantle, outer core,
Yes.
and inner core, right? So 4 of them.
Yes.
Very good, Kun. All right. Next question.
Ah.
Which layers, okay, outer core, inner core, crust, and mantle. So out of these 4 layers, which one is the thinnest layer? Ade, which one is the thinnest layer? Is it crust, mantle, or core?
Again, sir.
Again?
Again.
Okay. Which is the thinnest layer of the earth? Is it crust, mantle, or core?
Crust.
All right, very good, Ade. Crust, okay? Which one has pressure, temperature above than 7,000 degrees Celsius? So in this part, they cannot melt it anymore, okay? In this layer of the earth, they cannot melt anymore, okay? So their temperature is above 7,000 degrees Celsius. So which one do you think it is? They have a solid iron and nickel, okay, in this layer. So which layer do you think it is? Haruka.
And the inner core.
Very good. Inner core. All right, very good. Inner core. Next question, which one should I ask? Okay, next question is from weathering, okay? Weathering, erosion, and depositions, okay? The process that changed the surface of the earth, okay? Breaking down of a rock into smaller pieces. What is it? Is it weathering, erosion, or deposition? Grace.
Weathering.
Teacher cannot hear you.
Weathering.
Okay, very good, very good. So weathering, right? So in the weathering, there are 2 types, right? So what are they? In the weathering, there are 2 types of weathering, right? So what are they? PP. Hello, PP. In the weather, there are 2 types, right? What are they? Okay, how about Kun? There are 2 types of weathering. What are they?
Biology and
Okay, sorry. There are
chemical.
Oh my God, there are 3 types of weathering, okay? So what are they? Biological,
Chemical and physical.
physical, or mechanical weathering. Very good, very good. I was only thinking about physical and chemical. Sorry, okay. Very good, Kun. Okay, in the physical weathering, right? It's mainly due to what? It's mainly due to the temperature, okay? Temperature between the day and night. That leads to the breakage of rocks, okay? Then which question should I ask? What question should I ask? Hold on, okay, let me. Okay, how many years does it take to form a non-renewable energy sources? How many years does it take for the non-renewable energy sources to form? Ode. How many years does the non-renewable energy take to form? Okay, how about Haruka? Let's give a chance to Haruka.
Millions of years.
Very good. It takes millions and millions of years to form, right? That's why we cannot replenish them, okay? We cannot replace them in a short amount of time. Next question is, okay, it's an erosion, okay? So in the erosion, so do you guys remember the word erosion? Erosion is the process, okay, of transportation of a rock and soil materials or sediments by natural agents. So which natural agents can this form erosion? You can give me 2 examples, okay? All right, Grace. Which natural agents forms erosion, Grace? Which natural?
Running water
Mhm.
in waves.
Yes, running water and waves, right? Running water, waves, a glacier, right? Winds, this forms the erosion. Very good. Okay, so we have 2 minutes, so I will ask you 2 more questions and then we're gonna end it here, okay? Next question. What should I ask? Okay, so there are 3 types of weathering, right? Physical, biological, and chemical weathering, okay? So physical weathering is mainly due to temperature, changes in the temperature, okay? Whereas, how about biological weathering, sorry. How about biological weathering? Okay, I will give you 2 options. Is it from a chemical such as acid rain, or is it from the living things such as plants and we humans? What do you think it is? Poon.
From living thing and plants.
Yes, biological weathering is from the living things such as plants and we humans, right? Okay, very good. One more question and then you can leave the class, okay? We will be done for this class. What question should I ask? Hold on, okay, everyone? Okay, name the 2 core. There is 2 core, right? Name the 2 core. This is very easy. I didn't know what to ask. Okay, Haruka, name the 2 cores.
Outer and inner core.
Okay, so with this, we are done. We have less than 1 minute. So next class, we will start with new chapter, okay? So bye-bye, everyone.